SRE is an evolving discipline incorporating aspects of software engineering and applying them to operation problems. In other words, SRE aims to build software systems that deliver a more reliable service to users. The ultimate aim of the discipline is to create software systems that are extremely reliable and can be scaled or increased in size easily. An SRE, or Site Reliability Engineer, spends half of their time doing traditional ops tasks, such as resolving issues with the software, being on call to solve user problems, and intervening in the system manually. The other 50% of their time is spent developing new software features, scaling the system, or automating processes. A key part of any SRE program is monitoring issues in the system, creating alerts to identify problem areas, and designing automated processes to manage issues. This work could encompass any area of the system, but the key area of interest for any SRE is the availability of the system, or how much time it's accessible to users. Although more complex than this in reality, if an organization can guarantee high availability, they're well on their way to having a reliable system. Today, SRE is recognized as a key component of DevOps, an evolving discipline in modern software development, so it may surprise people to learn that it actually predates the DevOps movement. The discipline began at Google around 2003. At that time, the company was growing rapidly and had significant problems around the reliability of its systems, such as their availability or the time their systems were accessible to clients. Google identified standard system administration methods of the time as a limit on the reliability of their systems and began to redesign how to manage software systems. The result of this redesign was termed Site Reliability Engineering, and it helped Google develop highly reliable systems that could be easily scaled. Initially, Google kept this development in-house, believing that it would give them a competitive advantage. However, they discovered differences between methods used at Google and those used by their clients caused many problems. As a result, the company began popularizing SRE and teaching their clients how to implement it in their own systems. As we speak, SRE is spreading far and fast and is key to how software is designed and managed in multiple industries. It's closely associated with DevOps and implements many of the DevOps principles.